A function is a relationship where each input has exactly one output. If one input gives more than one output, it is not a function. So in math, we usually call the input x and then the output as y. The function answers one question: if x is this, what is y? You might also have seen a symbol that looks like f of x. That is our output, another way of saying the y. And obviously here, then the x will be our input. And f of x doesn't mean that we're multiplying f with x. It's just telling you when x is this, what is y. So let's take a look in the example and you'll see it very clearly. Okay, let's take a look at our first example. F of x equals 2x plus 1, and this is the rule we have to follow. To find the output, we replace the x with a number. Let's say that x will be 3. So let's find f of 3. And I'm going to write this here. So all we're doing here is replacing x in the equation. So f of 3 will be 7. And so that means if my input is 3, that means my output, the result will be 7. Let's take a look at another example. Okay, so we're finding f of 6. That means our input should be 6. So we're replacing every single x in here with 6. 6 minus 4, f of 6 equals 2. That means for input of 6, we have the output of 2. Well, this is great because everything is following the rule. What if the rule is broken? For instance, if I say at the same time f of 3 we said equals 7, and someone else says no, f of 3 equals 10. That would give you one input, two different outputs. By our definition, it cannot be a function. So wherever you see the word function, remember x is the input and f of x is the output. Each input must have only one output. If you'd like to practice a bit more, try this example and leave the answers in the comments. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and remember, learning math takes patience, practice, and perseverance. See you on the next one.